guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here and uploaded on all my social media platforms. So I just want to say, if you're new here, welcome. It's been a while since I've uploaded, I know. But today I'm going to serve you guys a look, and I don't really know what I'm doing yet. But I do have some new products that I purchased that I'm really excited to try. So if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, that way you can get notified every single time I post a new video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the products that I got, and then we'll get into the look. Yeah, so I'm pretty much going to be basically using all Morphe products, you guys. But these are products that some I have tried. I'm just trying a different foundation shade. I try to match myself online, so let's hope that that goes good. I have the Sweet Oasis Mini Lip Trio brushes that I purchased as well. Ta-da! I got the 35S Sweet Oasis palette. Here is what the palette looks like, just like the packaging. And then we have, wow, oh my gosh. I'm not gonna do any swatches with you guys because I'm sure you guys already seen these swatched. I'm gonna be using this lip liner pencil. This is in the shade Dusty contour stick. I've never tried their contour stick. So I have their foundation here. I bought a new shade, like I said, and I also bought the concealer. I have used the concealer before, but it was the white one, so I was using that one like as an eyeshadow base. So I haven't used it under my eyes. So we'll see how this works. I got the foundation in the shade F 2.1 and the concealer in C 2.35 online at Morphe, and I'm not even I'm sure in the stores as well. I'm not too sure. I haven't been inside the store for a very long time, since March of 2019. But they also sell the P. Louise base, and I got this one in the shade 3. So I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you guys can follow along with me if you guys have this palette, or if you have a palette that has similar colors, then you can follow along with me as well. So this is the brush that I'm gonna go in with to shape my brows as well as lay down the eyeshadow primer, and it's in the brush 937. It's called the Bold Concealer brush. And then I kind of just push it into the skin. Well, it's actually not that bad. Probably once I get it blended and I have my foundation on and everything. I'm gonna go in with the shade Secret Lagoon, this one right here. Okay, so you see how my actual crease is like down here? Well, I'm kind of bringing it a little bit higher because I do have hooded eyes. So to give the illusion that my eyes are bigger, that's what you're gonna want to do. So I think I'm gonna go in with Infinity Pool. So it's this one right here. Then I'm going to color swatch it again on here. This is a really good packing brush, so I am going to use all 3 colors with the same brush. So then I'm going to go in with a saltwater dip. It's this color right here for my transition. And I kind of do skip this little area just because my brow is gonna get colored in right there. So I'll like skip it. I don't know why I do that. So then I'm gonna pick up the small blending brush, and I'm just literally gonna do 1 tap into the darker shade, and then I'm gonna blend it, and then I'm gonna be blending it in. Ooh, probably a little too much. Going back in with the transitions shade to continue blending these. And yeah, I mean, you get the point, you get the gist of it. Just keep blending. I'm not gonna sit here and blend with you guys because I don't want to make the video long, so I'll be back when it's blended. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little cut crease. So I'm coming right here. Alright you guys, so don't be like me and not clean up your cut crease before you start it, because now my eyeshadow my base is like all teal from this color right here. So be sure to clean it up with some like Vaseline or something before you get started on the look. I think I'm gonna go in with Hibiscus Blossom. This shade right here. And I'm just gonna pack it. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. So pretty already. I'm actually gonna pick up that dark turquoise color that we had, and I'm just gonna kind of put that back right here in the outer corner of my eye and blend it toward the center of my eye. So far it's looking hella good. I'm gonna go in with a Sail Away, this color here. I'm just trying to use all these freaking beautiful colors, and I'm gonna apply that right here. Doesn't this look like that candy emoji? I'm gonna pick up more of the Hibiscus Blossom and blend it this way. If you pack correctly, you can blend just by packing. Ooh, that's looking so pretty. So now I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Glue, and this is just going to help the shimmer eyeshadow apply better and more pigmented and stick to your skin, girl. Now I'm going to apply it all over those two shades that I just applied. I am going to pick up the color Revel in It. It's a pink shimmer, and then I'm going to pick up Coastline Cruise. So these two right here. I'm gonna apply this one right here. Wow. Then I'm gonna flip the brush and use the other side to go into Coastline. Oh my goodness. That went way better than Wow. Look at those shimmers, you guys. Whoa. So I am going to let that dry. That way I don't blend the shimmer and I can actually blend the eyeshadow, because if I were to blend these two colors right now, all the shimmer that I applied here will move out here. So let it dry. So I'm gonna go in with my Crusty and Dusty Inglot gel eyeliner. Literally one of my favorite eyeliners of all times. Probably the only one I've ever used as far as gel liners. But yeah, let's get into it. How much you want to bet my other eyeliner is not going to come out as good as this side? Okay, we're going to go ahead and go in with the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F2.1. And I'm going to do one section at a time of the face because this foundation dries pretty fast. Ooh! Does this foundation match? It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but that's okay. Dude, I'm loving this look. It's giving me like the whole vibes of the front of the eyeshadow palette. I have the contour stick and the concealer. This is in the color Effect 15. So I haven't tried this one yet. Alright. Well. Ooh, it's very dry. Or maybe it was like the first swatch. But it's a very cool color, which is not for me. So I probably won't be using this that often. I need a warmer color. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with my beauty blender. I actually haven't used a cool tone color in such a long time. Maybe I'll like it again. Oh, hell no. It looks like I just got socked in the freaking cheek. Okay, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Oh, what the hell? That's... Oh my gosh. Look at... Did something fall? Look at how much product distributed onto the wand. Like, it is drenched. Okay, see, now it's better. The little sucker, like the little strainer, I don't know, came up with the concealer out of the wand. So that's what happened. The hell, I got scared right now. I was like, no way. Going in with the concealer brush. This is the Morphe M334. Literally one of my favorite buffing concealer brushes. This is in the shade Dusty. Oh no, honey, this is a cool tone color. Why did I pick cool tones? Okay guys, so I went in with the color Private Villa Hibiscus Blossom and Hidden Cove under my eyes. Then I went in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the shade Deep End. Looking okay, so we're gonna get into the glosses now. You could see how much very cool this lip liner is. I think it's cute for the lip line, but not to fill in my lips. So here's the lip trio. We're gonna get into this right now. Shimmy. So cute. So little. Like, how cute is this? Love it. Anyways, I really do love the eyeshadow palette. It's super gorgeous, super beautiful, and I'll definitely be doing more looks with this palette. And yeah, I also like the... Let me go ahead and swatch the lip glosses for you. So this one is in the shade Shimmy, the lighter nude one. This one over here on this side. And then this is in the shade Tipsy, the middle one. And then the last one on this side is in the shade Groupie. Let me give you a close-up look. that does it for this look. I had fun being back here with you guys. I miss y'all. So let me know in the comments below what kind of video you guys want to see next. Also, I do need new makeup products, so let me know in the comments down below what new products I should get and review. See you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. See you guys in my next video. Bye.